Hey friends, this is Atif here. Val and welcome to the new update on KDA. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, we had a very nice rally, but the price and got rejected by this long-term resistance of $2. That was previously breaking as a resistance here, and again broke as a strong resistance. And now recently, we have broken down this very significant support of $1.40, and now the price is bounced from the support of 85 cents. That is a quite long-term support, by the way. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that this 85 cents has been previously breaking as a resistance here and almost as support here. By the way, here for several months, it has been breaking as a support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I have also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for XRP, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see the complete trade setup, like the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared this signal like this trade setup I shared on 4th of November 2024, and this was a complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of KDA, and this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months, it has been moving inside this wedge. And after the breakout for several days, the price line was rejected by this quite long-term down trend line resistance. That was, by the way, coming from the month of April 2024 when it was moving inside this wedge. And finally, after the breakout from this down trend line resistance, we had a very nice pump. And the target that I was telling you for this breakout was here at the top of this wedge at $1.80, and you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target up to $2. That was previously breaking as a resistance here. Here it was working as a resistance here, and again it worked as a very strong resistance. By the way, right now the price and is bounced very well from the long-term support of 85 cents. That was recently working as a very strong resistance here for several weeks, and here as a support. And before that, for several months, it had been breaking as a support here as well. Therefore, again, it can work. In fact, it is working as a very strong support. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that after just hitting this support, the price and is bounced. And now, if the price and will be moved more up, then it can again hit this long-term resistance of $1.40. That is in fact a very long-term resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart once again, then you can see that this $1.40 has been previously working as a very strong resistance, and again worked as a very strong resistance here as well. Now, the technical target that I've been telling you for the breakout from this wedge was here at the top of the wedge at $1.80, and you can see that the price and has already hit that target, but still a very long-term target and move is due, and that is the target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And that long-term target can be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $25 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.